Okay, good day. So we have here the DoublyLinkedList menu based. So I'm going to discuss the codes first before we interact with before we run the program. Okay, first we have here the public class DoublyLinkedList. So this is the link class first. Then we had here the scanner, and after that we declared the variables, the node first, node last, and the int target. Okay, and then we had our default constructor here, the public DoublyLinkedList. So after that we had a constructor with parameter. Okay, so we have here the constructor, we had our method modifiers public, and the name of method DoublyLinkedList, and we have here the inside the method parameters, and then after that we've inserted here the variables, node first, node last. Then we've declared that first equals first, and so on and so forth. And after that we have method for setting target value. So we have public void set target. Okay, so here we have here the int, and after that we have the method for getting the target value, public int get target. And then after that we have here the print first. We have here on how to print the head of the node, the first node. So we have here the parameter, we've set the print first, and then the second is the print tail, the print last. It means printing the tail. So we've had to prompt the tail. We have system.out.println last.item, and after that we have the method for checking whether the list is empty or not. So we have here the public boolean is empty. So we are to return the first if it is null, and last if it is null. And after that we have the method for adding head. Okay, so this is the method for adding head. So we've discussed this from our first lesson. And next is public void add to last. This is the method for adding the tail. And then after that we have here the public void print forward. So obviously from the word forward, the input is printed forward from the head to tail. And then here is the opposite one. So from tail to head, print backward. And then after that we have here the public void delete from head. This is the method for deleting the head. So we have here the if statement. So if the input is empty, it will print list is empty, or else it will delete from head. It will delete the head. And after that we have here the method for deleting the tail. For this is the one. So we've had the return type void because it is to to return an null statement. And then after that, we have delete from tail, and it's the same from delete from head. Then here we have here the new one. We've deleted delete node. Okay, we have here the delete node. So we have here the method for deleting a specific node. So here, if statement system.out.print the list is empty. If the list is empty, obviously. So we have here else node current equals first, node previous equals null. So we have here the print. If you click the menu for deleting the node, it will prompt the enter node to be deleted. So you have to input the node to be deleted from there. And then after that, we have here all of this, while if node does not exist, if you entered the wrong node or it is not in the list. And after that, we have here insert after. So we have here the method for inserting nodes. Okay, we have here, so the same for this, it will prompt insert after which node. So you will choose on what node you will insert after. So after that, you can add, you can put either the 1, 2, either what you choose the number. So you can add here. After that, it will show what do you want to insert. And then we have here the last one, in search node. Okay, so in here, this is the method for searching the location of an item. So this is where you prompt, or this is where you will find an item from the node, and then it will print the system.out.print node example 10. Node 10 is located at from the location example number 2. Okay, that's it. So we have here the main class. Okay, so we have here DoublyLinkedList. Okay, now after that, we are going to, okay, so this is declaring scanner for it to prompt the values. And then after that, we also declared the local variables, of course, the tail, the head, item, target, and select equals 1. So here we have the do. So we are going to put the menu. So we have here the menu. Okay, and all of that, print backward. Okay, so after that, it is easy. It is very easy. So in this one, you can copy paste it until you reach the here, printing backward from the instruction. So we have here enter item to add. Okay, so you either choose what number you want to click. Okay, so now let's demonstrate. Okay, let's see what we can do from here. Okay, so first, let's add a head. Okay, 1. First, let's choose let's say 60, 61. Okay, wrong. Okay, let's run it again. 60, 61, 62, 63, and lastly 64. Okay, and also let's also put a tail on it. Okay, the tail would be, let's say, 100. Okay, so let's see if that is all correct, and let's print it. Okay, let's print. So here we have here the printing forward. So the nodes was was printed forward. So 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, and 100. So after that, let's insert item after. Okay, so let's choose number 3. Okay, so we have here the prompt insert after which node. Okay, let's choose here what node should we put after that node. Okay, let's say for example 64. I am 63. Let's put 63 after 63. Okay, let's put there 99. So the result would be 64, 63, 99, 62, and so on and so forth. So let's see if it is correct. Okay, let's print. Okay, there we go. So 64, 63, 99, 62, 61, 60, and 100. Okay, so now let's delete from head. Okay, let's choose number 4. Okay, so the head now is deleted. So 64 now is deleted from the list. Okay, let's see if it is now deleted. Okay, now 64 is now gone because we chose the delete from head. So for next, let's see delete from tail. Okay, so let's print. So the 100 was deleted from the tail. Okay, so now let's choose the next one, delete node. Okay, so enter node to be deleted. Okay, for example number 61. Okay, so let's print. So 61 was deleted from the node, from the list. Okay, and after that, let's print the head. Okay, so the head is now number 63. So how about the tail? Okay, so the tail is 60, obviously, because here we have 63 and 60. Okay, so now let's search an item. Okay, how about the second one? Okay, so again, search item. Let's say number 99. Okay, so now 99 is located at number 2. So the second one from the list. Okay, after that, let's print forward. Okay, so 63, 99, 62, and 60. So how about let's print it backward. So now, okay, here, print backward. 60, 61, 62, 99, 63. But we've already here. Okay, so delete node. Okay, let's delete node. 61. Okay, there we go. So now let's look at that. The 61 now is deleted. So let's delete another node. Okay, number 6. 60. Okay, so now 60 was deleted from the list. So the remaining list is 63, 99, and 62. So that's it. That is for our menu based doubly linked list. Thank you.